Aweda. This Oriki is very popular, but many do not know that it is a shortened form of a longer name. The complete Oriki is DÁŠÁKÁ. Now, what does it mean? Wè literally means to wash. It means to clean, to cleanse. And DÁŠÁKÁ means to be thoroughly clean. Therefore, Aweda literally means a child to be bathed, to be washed, to be cleansed so that he can be thoroughly clean. The child who has been washed to cleanliness. And the meaning of this can be open to a lot of interpretations. Spiritually, this can be a name given to a child born into the home of a river divinity or a water orisha. It can be a name given to a child born into the home of the devotees of Oshun or Yemoja or Olokun and what have you. But on a general level, it simply means that this is a child whom shall be pampered. The child to be regularly treated as something valuable. A child to be thoroughly washed. A child to be thoroughly cleansed so that this child can always be clean, sparkling white. Aweda, DÁŠÁKÁ, Wàá Ṣere.